Are you struggling to grow your YouTube channel? Now, I know you've been putting in all the work, uploading regularly, and yet the numbers just aren't numbering. And I know it can be frustrating. Well, today we're diving into the reasons why it's taking your channel so long to grow. And most importantly, how you can fix it. Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back. It's one of your faves, Sinners. Let's talk about consistency. Now, one of the most common reasons channels take forever to grow is simply from not posting enough. Now, posting consistently is the key to building momentum on YouTube. Now, I'm not saying you need to post every single day, but if you're only uploading once a month or randomly, it's hard for the algorithm to pick you up. Now, one thing for sure, the YouTube algorithm loves consistency because it shows that you're a committed creator who can be trusted to deliver content regularly. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just needs to be consistent. Now, you can start by setting a realistic upload schedule, even if it's once a week. Commit that schedule. So, I'm going to pause the video really quick. I have shoppable things that you guys can buy from my channel. First, I have Fenty lipstick, really pretty, Fenty. I have on the Fenty lip liner, and I have on the Fenty lip gloss lip plumper. My lips are small, so the plumper helps them a little bit. Thank you, YouTube, for my beautiful shirt. I love it's a sweater, but I love it. Thank you, YouTube, for this wonderful shirt. Also, I have on Valentino perfume. Oh, can you smell it through the camera? Can you smell it through the camera? Okay, back to the video. So, moving along, not knowing your niche. Now, this is a big one. If your channel covers a wide variety of topics like gaming, reviews, and blogs, it might be confusing to both the viewers and the algorithm. Now, I'm not saying you have to niche down, but it does help the algorithm when you do. Now, think of your channel as a specialized brand. People subscribe because they want expert level content on a specific topic. If your content is all over the place, you're not attracting the right audience, and the YouTube algorithm doesn't know how to categorize you or to choose your main topic to focus on. For example, if your channel is about YouTube growth, that's your niche. You should be creating content around that type of information, tips, case studies, growth hacks. Everything you post should revolve around the things that your audience needs to know about how to grow on YouTube. Now, let's speak on thumbnails and titles for a sec. It doesn't matter how great your content is. If no one is clicking on your titles and your thumbnails, your video can't get the opportunity that it needs. Your thumbnails need to be bold, eye-catching, and super clear about what the video is about. The same goes with your title. Keep it intriguing but informative, and a great title can spark curiosity but still give them a clear idea of what they're about to watch. Here's a pro tip. Use high contrast colors, big bold text, and show emotion on your face in the thumbnails. It really works. People connect with faces and emotions. Also, make sure your title has keywords related to the topic you're covering and it feels exciting enough to make them want to click. Now, this is important too. Make sure you're engaging with your audience. I know you might be thinking, I create great content. Why should I spend time responding to comments or doing live Q&As? The truth is, engagement is everything. When you reply to comments, ask a question in your videos, or even host live streams, you're building a community. I'm telling you, your audience, once they love the content, they're more likely to share your content and recommend you to others. Plus, YouTube loves engagement. The algorithm sees high engagement and will push your videos to more people. So make sure you take time to reply to your comments and ask for feedback, or even create content based on what your audience wants. Trust me, your community will feel more connected to you, and they'll also support you and help you grow. Now make sure you optimize your videos. You could be creating amazing videos, but if your videos aren't optimized for search, it is not going to be discovered. SEO is crucial for YouTube growth. Make sure you're optimizing your videos, titles, descriptions, and tag with the right keywords. It really helps. Now, this is how YouTube knows who to show your videos to. You can use things like TubeBuddy or vidIQ. Those help with keywords. Also, don't just rely on a catchy title. Make sure your metadata supports what your video is really about. This will increase your chances of ranking higher in the search results, and that will help you get discovered by new viewers. So why is it taking your channel so long to grow? It all comes down to these 5 key reasons. Inconsistency, unclear niche titles and thumbnails, okay? Make sure you engage with your audience and lack of SEO. You need to make sure your video is optimized. But the good news is these are fixable. You can fix this. All you need to do is make sure that you're consistent. Make your titles catchy. Make your thumbnails pop. Keywords, hashtags, optimization. This helps your videos. We wonder how videos get so far ahead. It's because they know how to structure their video to get a lot of views. And then there's me. I've been gone for months. So I'm at the bottom of the barrel. But guess what? I'm coming back. I'm coming back. I'm coming back. So just keep doing what you're doing, guys. I mean, we know it's not an overnight situation, and we don't want it to be overnight, because if it's overnight, we're not really going to know what we did to get it overnight. So we like it slow, steady pace. That way we can know what to do in the future. Not saying going viral is but going viral is the bomb now. But we need to know what we did to go viral. So keep going and don't give up, guys. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, your girl Sin is out.